Nagre-ready kami guys kasi lalabas kami. Pupunta kami ng Hobby Lobby because I need to buy some tassels and ribbons. Kasi mananahi ako. We don't have work for 3 days. Kasi meron na namang another bagyo na naman guys. Si Hurricane Milton. Ayan. So anyway, meron tayo ditong 6 boxes na guys. Papahabol natin. So this October 10, darating na yung box natin, yung dalawang box natin sa Pinas. So we are ready to ship 6 more boxes para kay kalat na kaayo diri. So bukas dadating yung natin, yung kababayan natin para i-pick up ang ating box. Yan. So yeah, I'm so happy. Pero lalabas kami guys kasi pupunta kami ng Hobby Lobby and pupunta din kami ng either Walmart or Target to buy some scotch tape kasi natin yan ng scotch tape. Palibutan natin siya ng scotch tape, kagaya nito. Lahat sila guys, inaano talaga namin ng scotch tape. That is why it takes time to, it takes time to pack. Kasi inaayos talaga natin guys para medyo safe naman siya, especially in case umulan. So, ayan. Yeah. The Goddard School. Daan muna tayo dito sa McDonald's, guys. Ayan. There. What do you want, Rachel? Yeah.
I didn't see this person in here coming.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just take as much videos as I can kasi hindi natin alam, baka bukas or next month aalis na kami. Yeah, sure, thank you. I appreciate. Aalis na kami. So we don't have a definite date yet kung kailan kami aalis, but yeah. Gusto ko kasi marami akong maaalala kasi hindi natin alam, baka hindi na kami babalik dito, or it's not impossible but it would cost a lot of money to come back, so we don't know how soon we will be able to return. Dito tayo ngayon sa sa Hobby Lobby. Hi Rachel.
Hi.
Yeah, this is my favorite spot, favorite area ko dito sa Hobby Lobby. Char lang. 40% sale sila karon. Yan, mga flowers, decoration sa house. Halika na. Yeah, they'll be closing soon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can you check the little places?
Frames dito, 50% off sila. Yes?
It's not Christmas. Why do they have these decorations?
I don't know. We don't take part of that, so.
Yeah.
Okay. Dito mga canvas.
Oh, okay. I can see the choice of
Tamakaba. Crafts.
Mommy, can we look at those area later?
Daddy already said that he don't want to spend a lot of time over here. Yeah, haya, hi. Daddy, haya, hi. Yeah. Ito na yung bagong namin, So, nandito nga pala kami para
Why are you showing it?
kunin ang aming bagong sasakyan, our new car.
Old school Sanford and Son.
Yeah, vintage.
Alright, so this is the new
Oh, there you
car.
go.
She just needs to fix it a little bit by taking these off.
Yeah.
She's just making perfect just for that car.
So, dito tayo sa mga telahan. They have different fabrics, textiles. Saan si where is Rachel lang? Okay. Dito 40% din sila, yan talaga yung ultimate goal ko na to be able to learn how to sew like dresses. Ganyan. Okay, so dito na tayo. I'm just gonna focus with the tassels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's put that on that
We-
one. Not like they have it here on it no more.
Okay.
Oh, let's try that.
This side, Rachel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Dito. Yan.
2,000 years later.
Hello guys, good morning. Good morning sa ating mga friends dyan sa Philippines at sa ating friends sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo. Ayan, char. Lahatin na lang natin, okay? So, yeah, hello din sa ating mga friends na nakatira dito sa Florida, especially those who were affected by the back-to-back na hurricanes dito. I hope you guys are safe. Ayan, yan lang naman yung pinaka-importante talaga, di ba? Na at least safe tayo regardless if some of us have lost our houses or properties, di ba? I just hope that, those friends who were affected with the hurricanes, they will be able to rebuild their homes and get back to their lives. Yan, so, hindi naman natin kasi kontrolado yung sitwasyon, di ba? So, let's just be really thankful kasi safe tayo and all of us have experienced different trials naman sa ating life. Hello guys, ayan. So katatapos ko nga lang pala dito sa kitchen guys. I just finished making juice. Wait lang ha. Wait. Ito ang aming napakalaking pitchel guys. Binili pa ito ng asawa ko back then, mga 8 years ago na siguro sa Walmart. Yan, so nagustuhan niya kasi flamingo yung style. Ayan, so juice, orange juice yung juice natin for today. So, I just want to share with you how I prepare for my family, guys, throughout the day kapag nandito ako sa bahay para mas mabilis yung flow ng ating trabaho dito sa bahay. But anyway, so after naming mag-breakfast, usually, of course, after washing the dishes and everything, nagluluto kaagad ako ng rice para anytime na maggutom, meron kaming madali-daling makain. And then, nagpe-prepare ako ng either sweet potato, macaroni and cheese, and or, like, bread. Kung bread naman guys, hindi ako nagpe-prepare. I just do it whenever my daughter wants some. And then, nagluluto din ako ng itlog. Tapos na ako mag-boil ng itlog at saka ng sweet potato. And ang rice natin, papaluto na rin siya. Ayan, so nag-prepare na rin ako ng guys, ipakita ko sa inyo ha. Actually, I'm ready to give her fruits. Yan. Ito na guys, oh. Yan. So, ganyan. Para mas okay yung flow ng aking day, guys. Ayoko kasi na yung parang while I'm doing something, ang daming interruption. Although, hindi naman talaga how will I say, like, we cannot control naman the situations, diba? So, may mga interruptions pa rin naman. Pero at least, medyo parang clear na yung utak natin. So, ayun. So, by the way, ayan na yung rice natin. 6 minutes na lang, papaluto na siya. And then, ito na yung ating sweet potato. Murag na lata siya. Hindi siya lata. And then, yung ating itlog. Yan. And then, gumawa rin ako ng guys, ng ginger tea kagabi. Ayan, yan yung sobra. Iinitin natin yan mamaya. Kasi, I've been coughing lately, guys. Ayan. Yan. So, anyway guys, i-share ko lang pala sa inyo kasi pumunta kami ng Walmart and it happened na nag-clearance sila. So, they have clothes for like $5 only. And masaya ako kasi wala siya sa plano. So, at least meron akong extra. Bumili ako ng 5 dresses for my daughter, guys. Ito siya. Yan. Ayan. This is for 10 to 12 years old. $5 lang siya, guys. And then the second one, pareho lang sila ng design. Pero ito siya black. Ayan. Pareho lang sila ng style dito. Ayan. And then, look at the price. So, originally, ano siya guys? $15.99 or $14 something. Ganyan yung mga presyo nila. And then, the third one is this. Nakukyutan kasi ako talaga sa ganitong style guys for, you know, children, especially yung mga teenager, ganun. So, this is also for 10 to 12 years old. Okay, so ayan siya. $5 din. Ang ano lang dito guys, cute sana siya kaso lang medyo medyo payat kasi yung anak ko. So yung width niya dito parang hindi masyadong attractive tingnan. I don't know if I will buy her an undershirt or okay lang siguro. I don't know. So and then eto guys, cotton siya yung material. Ano siya masyado parang malambot and cool. Yan. So, ito yung price niya, $5. So, originally, ilalagay ko na lang dito yung original price niya, guys. Or if you can see, ayan. So, green. Ayan, pwede na itong panlakad ng anak ko. And then, this one, ito yung most attractive siya tingnan, guys. And then, this is the original price. Yan. And then, yeah. Yan yung price niya after na nag-clearance. Yan. Cute siya. Cotton din siya, guys. This is good for, yan, fall. Ayan. Fall or spring. Or kahit winter kasi, ang ginagawa ko lang naman is, nilalagyan siya, pinapasuot ko lang naman siya ng turtleneck during the winter guys, para masuot niya pa rin yung mga summer clothes niya. So, ayan. And then, meron namang jacket. The good thing about this is that pwede rin siya pang summer kasi hindi siya yung parang mainit siya sa katawan talaga. And then, second, ayan, bumili yung asawa ko ng 2 phone guys. Ayan, ito siya. Yan, Moto G Play. So, under siya sa consumer cellular. So, $100 lang ito guys. So, if you are planning to go to the Philippines, if you don't want to spend too much money buying new phones, ganun, bumili na lang kayo ng ganitong mga phones dito guys from consumer cellular. Mura lang siya and then you can buy a chip pag pupunta kayo ng other country. Yan, kasi hindi siya postpaid. Ayan. Karamihan kasi sa mga phone dito guys, hindi mo siya nalalagyan ng chips. Ayan. Kagaya nung pumunta kami nung Pilipinas the last time and it wasn't really planned anyway. But yeah, we had to use our phone kasi minsan talaga may kailangan kang tawagan and then pagbalik namin dito, sobrang laki na ng bill. Yan. So, kaya dapat prepared tayo. And if you want to save a little of your money, bili na lang kayo ng ganito. So, ito na, at least may magamit tayo pagdating natin ng Pilipinas. So anyway, thank you so much for watching our video guys. I hope you guys are having fun. And yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much. See you on our next video. Bye!
In this situation. We'll talk more about it. The tropical twisters are often very fast to spin up, and then as quickly as they spin up.
They're beneful.
Sure, you guys went all into.
Ito na yung mga bags or luggages na nabili ko sa guys, sa sa thrift store. Ayan. And then ito siya. Yan, this one, na siya, tuyo na siya. So, ilalagay ko dito yung mga damit ng anak ko. Yeah, this. And then ito, pinapatuyo ko pa. Yan. So, ipa-fan natin siya kasi masama yung panahon. Yan. Para matuyo.